Well, despite the warm temperatures, it was still nice out there, and a nice sunset too. Fred Seeger sending this one in again to pics at mysuncoast.com. And this one from last night, Andrea plots from Lido Beach. You can see beautiful colors there as the sun was getting below the horizon. And the Van Wezel webcam showing the clouds kind of coming in from the south there, and that's a result of that tropical system down into the Caribbean that really is showing no signs of development at this time. So we have overall the strong winds out of the east to northeast throughout the day today, gusting as high as 20 miles an hour. There are small craft advisories in effect for waters out past 20 miles, and you can see some showers still lingering down to our south, but no rain here, and it's going to stay dry too. A few showers again down in the Florida Straits. You can see for the most part clear skies over the southeast United States, and I mentioned that small craft advisory covering waters out 20 miles past the coast there, as well as coastal problems with the heavy winds all the way down through the Keys and along the east coast. Right now it's 74 degrees and we have fair skies. The dew point at 63. Winds out of the northeast at 9. The pressure still pretty high, 30-10. That's falling slightly though throughout the evening. The high today was 3 degrees above the average. 90 the record set in 1984. 71. That was warm to start things off this morning. No rainfall to report, and looks like we'll end this month at 2.64 inches because we really aren't anticipating any rainfall over the weekend and in through Halloween. Temperature 63 degrees in Jacksonville now, and 72 though. Orlando, look at it, still 79 in Miami now, warm and muggy there. And temperatures all in the 70s near the coast, mid 70s there. We have 160 degree temperature, upper 60s there at Lake Placid at 68 degrees, 71 in Arcadia. Forecast tomorrow checks in like this: another warm day. High temperatures will top out into the mid to upper 80s. If you're at the beach, right around 85 degrees. Inland areas east of I-75 will get close to 88, 89 degrees. And there's snow falling in parts of Canada right now, but that storm that did bring some snow earlier this week into Vermont, New Hampshire, and upstate New York has now shifted off into the Atlantic. There's another area of low pressure that is moving in over the Pacific Northwest. This area of low pressure will track basically to the northeast. It's not going to have a big impact on our weather down the road at all. We'll stay under the influence of high pressure. There's a little backdoor cold front coming in, but pretty much mild conditions all throughout the central U.S. as a result of winds being out of the south there all the way up through Wrigley Field in Chicago. You can see what's happening right now. Enhanced satellite imagery showing some big storms into Cuba right now, and that's a result of that little tropical disturbance down there that does not have much chance to develop over the upcoming days as a result of the strong winds around. For us, that backdoor cold front gets close and then eventually fades away on Sunday with really no impact on our weather hardly at all, just a couple degree cooler temperatures come Monday. As far as the forecast goes for boaters, it looks like this. Right now, the 7-day forecast is calling for high temperatures to be into the mid to upper 80s all the way through the next 7 days. For boaters, exercise caution. Winds will be strong out of the east northeast throughout the weekend. We'll be right back after this.